Welcome to our free training, Maximizing SAP Project Success through Targeted User Training. In this course, we'll guide you through the key elements of SAP Project Success by focusing on one crucial aspect, user training. Fact: 75% of SAP implementations fail. This is a staggering statistic and one that highlights the need for effective training and support throughout the project lifecycle. You'll discover how continuous user involvement, targeted training at each project stage, and interactive workshops can prevent common pitfalls such as functionality gaps, failed go-lives, and costly rollbacks. We'll break down each step of the project lifecycle, showing you why training isn't just a box to tick, but a core component of a successful SAP implementation. From blueprinting to post-go-live, you'll learn how to empower your users to contribute meaningfully, avoid project failures, and drive organizational efficiency. At the end of this free training, you'll walk away with actionable insights that can transform your SAP project approach. And if you're looking for more hands-on learning or personalized SAP solutions, don't hesitate to explore our offerings. Simply scan the QR code on screen or contact me directly for a tailored quote. Whether you're an individual or part of a corporate team, we have the right SAP training and system access solutions to help you succeed. Let's get started today on maximizing your SAP project success.